Ah, you look like a little mamacita.
Look at you, girl. Baby boy.
I know. Look at, I like that.
I did too.
You like a little bang?
Yes.
And little curls cute.
Yeah, I couldn't borrow that one.
Show ain't.
Well, if you let me.
I wasn't going to.
I know, but I'm saying if. I still wouldn't because it would look different on me because I would look like a orangutan and wonder why.
Hi. Alright, so in today's video I am doing a wig review and I am doing it for this unit that I'm wearing right now. So this wig is from Izzy Wigs and their website is Lacewigsbuy.com. The wig link for this one will be directly down below, so you can just go straight to it if you wanted to buy it. So first I'm going to talk about the unpackaging for this wig. The wig came in this box right here. In fact, this kind of has like, you know, wig and hair care information, of course. When I opened the box, the wig was in a plastic bag. It came with a black fishnet weaving cap, and it also came with a nude wig cap. And then there was also a little plastic baggie with these little hair pins in them, just in case you wanted to put those in. So the style code, I guess, for my wig that I have, FLRC74729. Of course, it will be linked down below again. So this is a 16-inch curly full lace wig, 100% Indian Remy human hair. So it is not virgin hair. I believe I got the color number 1. Like a jet black, just because I thought that that would have been really cute. The reason why I kind of chose this wig was because of like these little bang pieces here. I thought that that was so cute. And I've kind of been getting into like K-pop a little recently, and like whenever I see them with like the little bangs and they're like curly, I just think that's like the cutest thing ever. So I wanted to try it, and I think that it's really, really cute. I like it. So I have had this wig for about 2 weeks now, and I have been wearing it sort of on and off. So the hair isn't like as fresh as it was when I first got it. I have not washed it yet, which I probably should do that because it does sort of have like a little bit of a smell to it. I have been putting it in like low ponytails with like little pieces out here. So that's why like the curls aren't as defined as they were, but I do have a water bottle here just so we can see how the curls will reform after I do wet it, because I do want to see what that looks like myself. But overall, I think the wig is like really cute. It is full lace, by the way. I did say that in the name of the wig, but it is full lace, so you can part it pretty much anywhere. But I did not bleach the knots or anything, so it doesn't look that good. And I also didn't put that much like foundation on the inside. I only have it sort of on the hairline a little bit, which you can't even really see. So the hair is actually really, really cute. I haven't gotten much shedding. It is curly hair, so it, you know, it's not really tangly, it's just curly. So but nothing that's been like, you know, like it's been matted together or anything. Like the hair itself is just like, it's fine, it's really cute, feels nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and like wet it now so we can see how she looking, you know. So I did get some hair after doing that, but again, it has been about 2 weeks and I haven't like brushed it out myself, so Yeah, so it doesn't like say what sort of like pattern it is, but it does remind me of like a loose wave. You can see it. This is the side that I just wet, and this is what it looked like before. So I do believe like after it dries again that it will like puff back up like this one, which is perfectly fine. I really don't mind it. See, I try not to get the bangs too much because I kind of like the way that the bangs are kind of like curled. I think it's really cute. Girl, we're gonna have to do the other side because I'm really liking the way she's looking right now. Ooh, hey. Sorry, y'all, I don't know how long my ring light was like that. So I'm gonna do the other side. Like before I would just kind of spray it a little bit, but you know the way that she's looking right now, I'm kind of like high key feeling her. This wig is so cute. Look at it. Look at her. I get excited. Okay, she's cute. I like her. I really do. This wig is so cute. I just love the little bang. Like, look at it. But yeah, so I have worn this wig out quite a few times. So I've worn it to work and everything, and it's just like so cute. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. Even when like I wore it down, or if I just like wore it, you know, back. I was getting like a lot of compliments on it. It's the bang. I'm just saying, I think it's the bang.
It just has to be.
Okay, I want to experiment with it a little bit just so I can see if I can get it up high. Again, I don't have clips in it, so it's not like, you know, it might not look right, like my lace may show. So we'll see. Ooh, see, she moving. Let's see if I can. Let's try the half up, half down first, actually, because I think that'll be really cute. Let's keep this behind the ear. Just take like that much. Oh, honey, she's already cute. This is, yeah, okay. Okay, now look, honey. All right, y'all, you have to look. Who do I look like right now? It's somebody in my head that I'm thinking of, and I just can't really think of who I look like right now. But oh my god, I may try a few more styles just to see what we can get out of this wig, because this is really cute. The more that I keep playing with it, the more I'm into it. And like, I knew it was gonna be cute, but like, it's doing a lot for me right now. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna play with this wig a little bit more. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Check out my other videos. I'm thinking I may get into like some other kind of videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow me on my social media at Sade on Instagram. Bye.